So you want to be a game streamer, but not sure where to start? I got you. All right, first we're gonna go to Amazon.com, search for capture card. You will have a few options. I went with the 4K HDMI capture card for $35.99. You can get the Elgato HD60X for $155. I will say I've been using the 4K for $35 for almost a year and had no issues. You will need two HDMI cables, one USB-A or USB-C, depending on what capture card you get. If you want to capture the party chat, you will need a party chat cable. That's just an option, and I can go further into details in another video. Most capture cards that you purchase come with one HDMI and the USB cable. Now that you know what you need, this is how you will connect them. It is very simple. On the input side, as shown here, it goes from your console to your capture card. That's the HDMI. Your output goes from your monitor or TV to your capture card. Now your USB-A or C goes into your computer. No software needed. Now if you have an external microphone, you will not need to connect it to your capture card, but to your PC. Next, Google OBS download, which is an open broadcast software, and download it. There are versions for both Windows and Mac. Let's create a scene and name it. I'm gonna type in gameplay. This will be your main screen. Now we're gonna add a source. Go to the bottom, click on video capture device. Name it, either Xbox or PlayStation. Select your capture card as a device. USB video. Hit OK. Now we need to create an audio input capture, and you will find this under sources. That's the audio that's going to be coming out of your console. Name it Xbox audio or PlayStation audio. Devices, in my case, USB digital audio. That's where your capture card is connected to. In the audio mixer, you can adjust the volume. You don't want it peaking, so you just lower it down a little bit till you get it just right. Now we're gonna need a microphone. Go to the source audio input capture. Under device, you will find your mic. The one I'm using here is the Moano PD200X. Hit OK. Now we're gonna need a camera. So let's go ahead and add a camera. Go to sources, select video, capture device. It's gonna be the Elgato 4K. If you would need a budget camera, is the C920 by Logitech is pretty good. That's the one I started off with. Hit OK. Camera will pop up. Now we need to adjust it. Get it to where you need it just right. I tend to set it more on this side. Next, Create a scene, hit the plus at the bottom, name it BRB, hit OK. This will be so when you need to take a break or need to step out for a little bit. Go to sources, then media, name it, hit OK, local file, and find it. Make sure you loop it, then hit OK. You can make custom scenes on Canva. It is free for the basic version. Canva is an incredible user-friendly tool for creating high-quality templates for Twitch and OBS. Not to mention you can use it for Kick, YouTube, whatever streaming platform you use. The drag and drop interface makes it easy to add and adjust images, text, and graphics. Plus, Canva offers a range of pre-made templates specifically designed for streaming, saving the time and effort. You're all set, you ready to go? If you have any questions, hit me up. I got Discord too, so you can hit me up on the Discord. I'll get to you as soon as I can. Peace, I'm out.